Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, for another episode of Gizmo Guru. Today, we have a special review, very interesting one. We have this 18-volt half-inch impact wrench. Now, this will be a full review on the impact wrench. I'll go over a few of its features, a few of the specs on it, and at the very end, I will tell you if I think it's a good buy to buy this. So without further ado, let's get to it. So in front of us, we have our 18-volt half-inch impact wrench. Now, the reason for this review is a little different than usual. So I've been looking for an impact for quite a while, but I didn't want to spend $200 to $400, let's say. So I wanted to find something around the $100 range, and I happened to be on Home Depot one night because I'll kind of start from the beginning. I looked high and low for this thing. I looked on eBay, Amazon, Walmart, you name it, and I just did not want to get some off-brand that I couldn't trust. There were so many red flags with those. Let's say a battery goes out. There were just too many things. I wanted a reputable brand. So I found this on HomeDepot.com. And it was a Father's Day special, and these are normally like around $200 to $220, somewhere in that realm. I got this for $119, so very good value, and this thing checked all the right boxes. I definitely wanted a half-inch, which is what this is, and as far as some of the features on it that are kind of neat, so this right here is your 3 different speeds you have for impact, and originally, this was not something that was really a big deal to me, but I've had this for about a week now, and this is a great feature. If you need a low torque situation, you can. It's a great feature to have. Now, on the front right here, I'll show you this. That's where you can see your battery level. And speaking of battery, another thing that was great about this is a 4 amp hour battery. So if you need something where you don't want to have to carry around 2 batteries or you have limited space to carry it, this is a great feature to have. So I could not be happier with this impact for the price. And the only downside to this is, you can see right here, is this is actually not a brushless one. So that's the only downside to it, but I figure I'm not going to be using this a ton. This will be something to take on trips, in case I have a flat tire or something, or the occasional brake change job. So just something to make the job easier. So it's not going to be used every single day. So brushless is not that important for my situation. And I'm sure this thing will last a long time because RIDGID makes a great tool. But another interesting thing too is that I saw, you can actually add the little piece here. So if you do want to hang it off of your belt, that is an option. So you can just go to RIDGID or Home Depot or whoever else sells it, Amazon, and you can order this and it's already got the hole pre-drilled or put in. You can put the screw in, and which is great. And then here's your little light, which is nice. So let's say you are changing a tire on the side of the road, late at night, no light. That is a very good feature to have, and it's a pretty bright light too. I tested it when it was dark out and turned the lights off and give that a little test. So that was great. But yeah, overall, this thing is amazing. I can't believe you can buy something like this for $120. I was looking at a comparable Milwaukee for like $300, because that's typically who I buy tools from, Milwaukee. But when I saw this, I jumped on it, and it's got considerable weight, which is really nice. So overall, I've been testing this for about a week, and so far, I'm very, very solid on my choice for this. I do not have buyer's remorse. I am so glad I got it. So for $120, I just checked, and it's still that price on HomeDepot.com. I could not recommend any more to go buy this. This is absolutely a phenomenal deal. So if you need a good impact, definitely make this a choice. And then I was going to show what it came with. So it came with this really neat little bag here, so you can carry it. So you can have your impact here, your charger, your battery, and here's the charger. Very nice. It just goes and sits in there. And it actually charged up pretty quick too. I was impressed with the charge speed. But you can put some of your sockets in right here. But yeah, overall, very pleased with this. So I would definitely recommend it, and I hope this helped if you're looking for an impact. And remember, if you like my channel, please like and subscribe.